works basically the same. But somebody asked, Carmen asks, Xactimate desktop or Xactimate online? And I'm going to tell you, use the desktop version, because if you're out in the middle of the boonies and you don't have an internet connection, you can't get in Xactimate for any reason whatsoever. So absolutely, you want to have.
Go ahead.
Oh, I was just going to say, you want to use the desktop version. It's going to be faster. It's because the mobile is going to depend on your. There's a number of different reasons to use the desktop. Mobile's going to be subject to your connection. So if you drop your connection or if it's not a good connection, it's going to be a slow experience. Also, you can't use any keyboard shortcuts on the online version, which is, I think I might have said mobile a second ago, the online version. So if you want to for Control M to open up your macro list, you can't do that in the online version at all. So, and you're going to want to learn. They've took a lot of them away, but there's still some in there that are really useful, especially if you're in Sketch. There's a whole bunch of keyboard shortcuts. You can't use any of those online, and that's huge. The less you poke around with the mouse, the faster you're going to be, for sure.
I'm pretty fast with the mouse.
Oh, yeah, well,
I'm still a two-finger typer.
Right.
But I can still close files.
Yeah, Reba says install the desktop because it has online capabilities.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Let's see what else we got here. Online or Pro versions. So the Pro version is going to give you all three versions. You're really only going to use the desktop. I would just get the desktop. For mobile, Brett is asking, he says, for mobile online. Oh, I thought you were answering a question, I think. But you don't have to have a Pro license to run claims. I would just get the desktop.
One of the benefits of having Pro, several of our adjusters are husband and wife teams.
Yeah.
And with the Pro version, the Pro online version, somebody can be out scoping the house, taking the photographs, releasing that claim, whether it's on mobile or whatever, releasing that claim back to the cloud, and somebody sitting in a whole nother state can pull that down, organize it, whatever they need to do. So the Pro version is really great if you're working as a team with somebody else.
Hey, Mr. Insured, how's it going?
It's going great today. How are you doing?
Good. This is actually Guy Grand from Veteran Adjusting School. So you want to learn claims from the most experienced veteran adjusters, but you can't find anybody who will let you ride along with them? Then let me tell you about AdjusterTV Plus. Developed by AdjusterTV and its industry partners, including the high-end Training Center Veterans Adjusting School in Arizona, AdjusterTV Plus is a growing library of in-depth training videos created just for independent adjusters. Learn scoping and estimating from professional trainers and adjusters. Learn how to handle customer interactions with confidence. Learn the ins and outs of scoping and estimating exterior hail claims. And coming soon, detailed videos about how to handle smoke, ice dam, water claims, and auto claims. AdjusterTV Plus also features the very best of 3 years of AdjusterTV's YouTube videos, ad-free. Educational, entertaining, and inspiring. Come right along with us on AdjusterTV Plus.